guys, I'm going to walk you through dimensioning 2. Sorry, I'm really cold, so I put my jacket on right now. Sorry if it makes a lot of noise. But I'm going to walk you through dimensioning 2, and this one has a little bit of a leap for us, because we're going to get into isometric, and so that isometric is pretty fun, but there's also something else here. So this is the description of your assignment right now, and it says reproduce the object below including dimensions. So it's talking about this object right here, and all these yellow lines are the dimensions, or how long each line is, and that's kind of your job here. So a couple things we noticed about this: the dimensions are no longer decimals, they are now fractions. So right down here you want to change your drawing units, and so this is my AutoCAD. I want to change my drawing units. You can either do architectural, which will be fractional, or you can do fractional, and that just gives you straight fractions. And then the other thing you might notice that this is no longer a two-dimensional object. This is moving into the 3 dimensions. So how we're going to do that is we're going to click this button here that is isometric drafting. If you don't have this button here, you just need to click this menu down here, the 3 lines in the bottom right corner, and you want to make sure isometric drafting is on. So I have isometric drafting on, and then you want to click iso draft on. Your screen should change. Okay, so looking here, we have some lines to draw. I'm going to start at this point and work this way because I think it's going to be the simplest. So you're going to start at a line, and it can be anywhere. We'll start here. That's fine. And then you want to go at 90 degrees. I don't think I have my polar tracking on. Polar tracking is going to be pretty helpful in this. And it looks like I have just 1. So I type 1, enter. Okay, scroll in so that we can see it. You do want to make sure, I'm going to press enter. In isometric, you're kind of looking at something from those 3 sides that we made in multi-views. So to change between the view, because this is isometric left, you can press F5 and it'll change to isometric top. So this is the top view and this is the right view. So I'm going to stay in the left view since that's what this object is like. We're looking at it from the left. So I'm going to go back to line and I go, yep, I want to be at this. I think I want to be at this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. See how it goes. And my distance is 3/4, so that was perfect. And then I go this way, and it should be 1/2. And then this way should be 3/4. And if you're like, oh, you can either see like how I'm dragging and it's changing. I can either go to 3/4, or you can type 3-4, and that'll be it. And then I'm going to go down to 1, and then I'm going to connect the lines. It'll be enter, and then I'm going to keep drawing like this. Oh, that did not connect. Oh, made a mistake. There, fixed it. And then you're going to keep drawing your object. And so that's kind of how you're going to start. I'm going to go ahead and pause, and let's see how far we can go. Sorry, choking here. So this is the object that you should have drawn. There's some funky things going on here with my drawing. I still have to play with it. But for me to figure out what exactly is going on, I wanted to go into my dimensioning. And so I want to set the dimensioning styles. I want to go to dimension style, and you want to go to modify. And then the primary units we want as fractional. And precision to 1/16. I don't think we have anything. Yeah, we can even go up to 1/4. Because on our drawing there's nothing more than 1/4. And it's actually not even that. It should be architectural because it has these inches here. Yeah, so this should be architectural. Everything else should be okay, but you want to make sure that you have this as the unit format as architectural under your primary units. Press OK, and then you want to set current. and then close. So now let's go ahead and dimension some things. So let's dimension this. 1 inch. Great. But what am I doing wrong? Oh my gosh, my layer's wrong. So I don't even think I have the layer. I think I only have a single layer right now. So I'm going to add a new layer. Nope. Copy. Nope. 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 Where's my new button? This? No. Here. I'm just going to go here. I know where it is here. Make this larger. And go new. Text. Color. Yellow. Line type. Do I want continuous? Yeah. Cancel. Yeah, continuous line type, but you want it in the text layer. So I want to be in text. I want to delete this and go dimension. 1 inch. Great. And they have a different text style, which is fine. If you really want to change your dimension, you can change that. But then we're going to go here to here, just checking our work. This goes out here like this. And then here, this is where I'm kind of questioning my work. I want to go here. That's what it looks like. But something funky is happening here. I also have something funky happening down here. So it's just stuff you want to check out, make sure it's right. It might just be my perception on the computer. Just looks slightly off. So use that critical eye. Make sure you have an attention to detail. You're really looking to see what's going on. And you are to dimension the object as you see here. And if you want to add extra dimensions, like there's no dimension for this line here, there's no dimension for this line here. I guessed. I think you guys can guess. Yeah, but other than that, it's pretty good. Good luck.